Good Friday morning, my friends. It's Friday, isn't it? Yes, all right. The weekend is upon us. The weather for the weekend, not super terrible. I'll show that to you as we get into it. And also, we have some rain on the way for today. So let's get right to it and show you when the rain hits, how much rain we'll have. It's a couple of waves of rainfall from this morning on through tonight and Saturday. Let's look at Mother's Day. Another thing I want to show you is the cold pocket up north, and I want to just give you a word of caution on that, okay? So let's get to her. Linda, will you be able to mow? It depends on where you live and when. If you're going to wait till this afternoon, no, you will not be able to mow. You should have done it or do it now. This is the rainfall right now, and you can see pretty much the path. So some showers already into the southwest quarter of Lower Michigan, we'll call it. I like this model right here depicting all of the stuff that we have going on this weekend, okay? So here's a radar forecast. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, noon. So you got the showers pretty much from Detroit to Ann Arbor to Flint to Saginaw to the center of the state, Mount Pleasant, Clare, to Ludington, Manistee. Maybe the southern areas that had some showers dry out for a time. This area of shower activity swings to the north during the afternoon, and then a solid area of shower activity swings on through late afternoon. This is 5 o'clock. So yeah, you're looking at a chilly, stormy type situation for us. So yeah, maybe a rumble of thunder, but nothing severe. Okay, so we're into this evening, and it's showery with a couple of isolated thunderstorms. And now overnight tonight, here comes another round of showers. Again, not severe. This is Saturday morning, 8 o'clock. And then we go into the day on Saturday, and there could be a lull in the rain. This is midday, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then we get to 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock at night. And the last area of rain moves through Saturday night. And we go to sunrise, Mother's Day. And I think it should be a dry Mother's Day. So several waves of rainfall. If I like this model, then probably have to like the pattern of rainfall forecast. This is the total rainfall forecast through Mother's Day. And I like it. You know, northern parts, let's focus there first. Traverse City to Tawas, north. Missed the rainfall. I can say miss, necessarily need it. And then southern part of the state, we'll call it a quarter to a half inch around the Saginaw Bay City area. We'll call it a half inch to about an inch in the southern half of the state, with maybe some spots a little over. How much, someone's asking, how much rain will Muskegon get? There's Muskegon right there. Now, you're located in the heavier band, but it doesn't necessarily mean that will be exactly there. But I would say you will be an inch, plus or minus a quarter of an inch of rain. And you can see all of southern Michigan. That's why I've said all along, great day today to put grass seed down. Hey, good morning, Michelle Martin. Temperatures. Today, cuddle up inside, clouds, showers, high temperatures, upper 40s to about 50. I found it refreshing this morning, but maybe we don't want refreshing at this time of the year. This is Saturday. High temperatures, upper 50s, southern lower where there's more shower activity, lower 60s, northern lower, UP temperatures in the 60s. Mother's Day, 67-ish, a very common temperature Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, Ann Arbor, Detroit, 68-ish. Saginaw Bay City, Midland, Mount Pleasant, 68 to 70. Northern lower, including Traverse City, low 70s. Western part of the UP. Monday in the mid to upper 70s. Tuesday in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. But one last thing I'm going to leave you with. Okay? I want to emphasize that there's still a heck of a cold pocket up just to our north. These are the temperature anomalies at 5,000 feet up in the atmosphere. And let me help you see what you're looking at. Here's Florida, here's Texas, here's California, here's Michigan. Right here is the North Pole, essentially. Okay, so this is a heck of a cold pocket, and what's saving us from this coming down and producing another record blast of cold is we're starting to get our Bermuda High going. So the Bermuda High, with its southerly winds, is fighting off this big blob of cold. Let's just watch it. This is a model that goes out 10 days, and you can see how that cold pocket swings just to our north. This is early next week, and again, here's your Bermuda High acting on, pushing a southerly flow, and here's your cold pocket trying to move to the south. So it's essentially the same kind of weather pattern as what we had in March and April, just that it's later and the sun is stronger, and this Bermuda High is helping things out. I tell you that because it tells me there's still frost possible in Michigan. This weekend, even though it's kind of wet, you might want to go for planting a lot of the garden. I would still hold back on the things that can't handle any frost. Tomatoes, peppers, basil. You'd have to ask your greenhouse. There's a lot of stuff that you can plant, but there's still things that with that cold pocket there, very cold pocket, it's still the capability of it coming down. We'll know in the next week or so if it will, but it's still there. And thank goodness for the Bermuda High, because otherwise that thing would probably be coming down and we'd have some high temperature days around 45 to 50 degrees here. So we'll keep an eye on that one for you. You have yourselves a great weekend, a good Friday. I'm going to sign off for now. This is